Okay, so this is a collection of shops here on the bypass. This is a place, as you can see, we have 79k price tickets on these. The others are 99k. All of these ones that are drift. Some brand names here: Dragon, Juice Matic, Spider Built, never heard. Have some Billabong recycler board shorts here, 50% off. Just next door to our sports station, we have a Billabong factory outlet. Also, so we have a SBS, this is called. We have Deus Ex Machina, Havanias. Okay, so I've just cut across the bypass now. We're on the other side. This is a place called Multi Factory Outlet. Get one free bikinis. And big outlet clearance here. This one's called Bali Outlet Store and OAKLEY Outlet. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in the Kuta area of Bali. I'm on the bypass Ngurah, and for those of you that love shopping, what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a fabulous collection of outlet shopping places. So all of these places that are going to be featured in today's video, they're all located here on the bypass Ngurah, which is the main road that runs to and from the airport. All of the places featured in today's video are all within 400 meters distance from each other. There's a multiple collection of outlets, shops available on the bypass. I'm going to feature all of them in today's video. I'm going to, where I can, I'm going to take you inside and give you a look at some of the products available. These shops are too big to go through all of the products. I'm just going to give you a general idea of what products are available. All the big brands are available at these places: Rip Curl, Quicksilver, Volcom, Palm Lagoon, Surfer Girl. Many brands are available at these places. So I'm just going to give you a general idea of what they sell, take a look at some of the prices as and where I can, and just show you all of the outlet shopping outlets here on the bypass Ngurah. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you outlet shopping here in Kuta on the bypass. Okay, so this is a collection of shops here on the bypass. This is a place called the World Brand Factory, the main one, the big one right in front of us there with a big sale, 50% all items. See, there's a nice collection of shops here. So we have an Under Armour here. This is the main World Brand Factories here. There's lots of items inside here, all on sale and things. All the shirts and things here. Lots of things inside there. We have an Under Armour here. Just through the things, I think this is connected with the World Brands Factory as well. Let's just have a look inside there. You can see many of the items again inside there. All of the big brand names inside there. Okay, so this is a section of Palm Lagoon sandals here in the World Brand Factory. As you can see, we have 79k price tickets on these. The others are 99k. All of these ones that I'm drifting past now. So you can see everything's pretty reasonably priced in here. And that's some nice beach sandals here. That's Palm Lagoon. Okay, so here we have some Volcom beach shorts, or board shorts as they call them. Some nice different colours. The price was $775, so 50% off that. 50% off this price. Lots of denim there as well with 50% and things off. Many Volcom shirts here as well, 50% off. 247,000. Many shirts up there, Volcom as well, 50% discount. You have a big collection of Volcom shirts for ladies, men, kids, sandals, everything there, 50, 30, 70% off. Some brand names here: Dragon, Juice Matic, Spider built, never heard of so many of these, all in the big 40, 50, 30, 60% discounts. A big collection of Converse in the back here, 50% discount. Also some trainers and things all along the back wall here. Many trainers all throughout. All the big brands, Reebok, Adidas, Nike. So 50% off these. These are Champion. So around about 250,000 those. This one's 209,000. Somewhere here, 69 Slam, which is 40% off, 50% discount also. New arrivals in here, shorts, t-shirts, clothing here. 69 Slam. Surfer girl inside the corner there. Have the No Fear brand here. These are all new arrivals, so I don't think there's any discount. There is some discount there off that stuff, 40, 30 and 80% sale. Chimpanzees also. Sandals. 60% off the sandals there, 60% off the bags in the back, lots of t-shirts and things, all under the Rip Curl brand. This is all Rip Curl along the back there. Have some Billabong recycler board shorts here, 50% off. So the original price is 800, so 400 with 50% off. So just next door to our Under Armour, we have a sports station. There's some Western tourists coming out and going in the sports station there. This has multiple branches in quite a lot of places in Indonesia. Again, there's lots of things on big discount inside here in the sports station, also connected with the World Brand Factory. Just next door to our sports station, we have a Billabong factory outlet. Also have a Quicksilver over in the corner there, money changer in case you need to change money on the corner. Just take you through the door just to show you inside. I think these are, I'm not sure that these are big discount places, however they're all the brand names. As you can see inside there, nice collection of goods. Just coming out of that one, we have the Quicksilver next door. So it's 50% discount on the signs there. Lots of t-shirts, sandals, bags, many items inside here. Okay, so just from a World Brands factory now there, you can see you've got a great collection of outlet shops there. Just next door, just a little bit more down the highway here, we have another one, or another collection of shops. So we have a SBS, this is called. We have Deus Ex Machina, Havanias, all of the big brand names available there, as listed up above. Have a Samsonite factory outlet as well, with all your luggage and things in there. Have Dickies, made in Dickies. SSTR Evolution, some nice ladies' clothing here. Gala, Deus Ex Machina, Von Dutch. So you have lots of things inside there again. Nice shop, trainers, shirts, everything inside there. Just next door to a shop there we have the Samsonite. This place has got lots of luggage and bags and things in here. Some nice ones for the kiddies there. Okay, so just from that collection of shops there, we're going to continue on down the highway in this direction. I'm just going to shut the camera off for a while until we get to the next place. Okay, so just down the highway on the same side, or the bypass on the same side, about 100 meters, we have a big outlet clearance here. This one's called Bali Outlet Store and OAKLEY Outlet. Okay, so just from OAKLEY Vault and Bali Outlet Store, we're going to cut across on the other side of the bypass now. Directly opposite, we have a multi-factory outlet, right in the red there. Okay, so I've just cut across the bypass now, we're on the other side. This is a place called Multi-Factory Outlet. We're not allowed inside this at all. Just to show you, clearance sale 70% off. Levi's, Rip Curl, Nike, Puma, Adidas, Under Armour. All of the brands available there. I'll just take you to the door and show you. Lots of boxes and things stacked up there. And then we have a huge store inside. It stretches right back in there. There's lots and lots of things inside here. Okay, 400 meters now down the highway on the same side as the World Brand Factory. We have a place called Original Surf Outlet. Again, it sells all the big brands and things here. Parking for cars and motorbike out the front here. Rip Curl has a big shop inside there, straight through in the middle. So have the Rip Curl, and then you have a huge shop inside here. Sale up to 70% off on many items. Many items inside there. And then just in the side here we have all items. Sale up to 70% off. Okay, so that concludes today's video. So as you've seen with the camera there, you've seen a fabulous collection of outlet shopping places located out here on the bypass in the Kuta area of Bali. Now I'm not allowed to go inside and film. Many of them won't give me permission to go inside and film the product with them being brand name products. That's why I was only bringing to your attention the shop front and just a door view, just to give you a glimpse of what's available here. You're going to have to come here and check these places out for yourself. As of regards for prices at these places, me personally, I have no idea whether they're good, bad, fair. great value or not, because I'm a little bit out of touch of what prices are in the Western world for these type of brand name goods. All are brand name, they're all original product goods from all of these outlet places that are featured in today's video. I shall leave that with you to come to the outlet places and check that out for yourself, and pass the information on in the comments whether you think these places are worth a visit, whether they're good value, whether you found any bargains or anything there. I'd really appreciate if you could do that for me. And on that note, hope you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you get the opportunity to come and pay some of these outlet places a visit here on the bypass, and I shall say bye for now.